Hey everyone, welcome back to the Drive and Ride. Today, we're diving into something that's been stealing hearts on the road and redefining what it means to live a mobile lifestyle at the Ford Transit Custom Camper Van. If you've been dreaming about van life, weekend getaways, or just a more adventurous way to travel, this is one vehicle that absolutely deserves your attention. The Ford Transit Custom has built a reputation for being reliable, versatile, and incredibly functional, but when it's transformed into a camper van, it becomes something entirely different, a compact yet comfortable home on wheels. One of the best things about the Transit Custom is its size. It strikes a perfect balance between being easy to drive, especially in urban environments, while still offering enough space to create a cozy and functional living area. Whether you're parking at a campsite, stealth camping in the city, or taking the scenic route through the countryside, it's designed to handle it all with ease. Inside, the layout options are seriously impressive. Most conversions include a rock and roll bed, a compact kitchenette, plenty of storage, and often a pop-top roof for extra headroom and sleeping space. You can go with a standard conversion or fully customize it to fit your needs. Solar panels, leisure batteries, diesel heaters, swivel seats, and even smart home features can all be integrated depending on your budget and preferences. It's this modular flexibility that really makes the Transit Custom Camper stand out. It's not just about where you can go, but how you want to live when you get there. Performance-wise, the Ford Transit Custom is smooth and responsive, with a range of diesel and hybrid engine options that offer great fuel economy without sacrificing power. The driving experience feels solid, and the cabin is modern, featuring tech like Sync 3 infotainment, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors that make handling a breeze. It's a commercial van at its core, but Ford has made it feel surprisingly car-like, especially in newer models. What really sets this camper van apart is its ability to suit so many different types of travelers. Whether you're a solo explorer, a couple chasing sunsets, or even a small family looking for weekend adventures, the Ford Transit Custom can be adapted to fit your lifestyle. It's compact enough to use as a daily driver, yet spacious enough for extended road trips. That kind of dual functionality is rare, and it's a big part of why so many people are choosing it for their van life setups. So, if you're looking to hit the road in something that's reliable, customizable, and incredibly practical, the Ford Transit Custom Camper Van should be at the top of your list. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, and once you get a taste of that freedom, there's no going back. Thanks for hanging out with us here at Drive and Ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming van tours, reviews, and travel stories. Until next time, keep driving and keep riding.